What's right in front of you is the majesty of being. That's what's right in front of you. It's inexhaustibly complex and full of potential, and there's no reason to assume that wherever you happen to be isn't as good a starting place as anywhere else. Well, the positive meaning of life is to be found in noting the state of lack of repair of the walled city that you inhabit, and then sallying forth to do something about that, to repair the breaches and to fix up the walls and to make the structure that you inhabit as secure and as productive as it possibly can be. The role that you should play is to make things better wherever you are, however you can. That what would actually happen would be that things would get better wherever you are in all sorts of ways.
Be willing to tell the truth. Be willing to die in the truth.
Capacity to observe, to see objectively what is happening, both outwardly and inwardly.
Because if you have to take an inward step, you have to transform yourself.
Be willing to accept feedback, to accept that you may be making mistakes here and there, self-correct yourself, and take all good things in moderation.
Imagine that you were taking care of yourself like you were someone you actually cared for. And then you thought, okay, I'm caring for this person. I would like things to go as well for them as possible. What would their life have to be like in order for that to be the case? Conceptualize how things could be great if they were great for you, if you were taking care of yourself, and then work to make that the case for everyone else. When you feel as if you're meaningfully engaged in the world, when the terror of your mortality strips away, and you're engaged, and it's timeless, that's the deepest instinct you have telling you that you're in the right place at the right time. And then what you do is practice being there. An ideal is always a judge. There's no difference between an ideal and a judge. And so you're eternally judged by your own ideal. If you have no ideal, well then you've got no direction and no meaning in your life. And then of course, the more extreme the ideal, the harsher the judge. Just because it works for someone else, I mean, that's interesting and all that, but it's no proof that it'll work for you. You have to be all in this game. It isn't certainty. There's no certainty. No one can tell you how it will work for you.